Hello, this video is for instructions how to replace the cracked screen for a Dell model P57G. Okay, so we're going to be replacing that. I'm going to pause the video so I can show you the other screen that you just bought. Alright, so the screen is gonna be replaced by this one here. So if you look at it, this particular screen came with the bezel. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take it out of the packing. So as you can see, it's got the bezel included. So it's a three-part step for replacing the screen. So the cover plus the bezel plus the screen. So we're just gonna do two steps by just replacing the screen and bezel all together. Alright, so we're gonna need a couple of tools, a heat gun, and a couple of plastic. You can use a credit card if you want, so we give it a little bit of heat here. Heat it up a little bit. Make sure you don't heat it too much. Then we're gonna separate here. See, separate. Just gotta be careful because there's some wires here close to the camera. So you see at the bottom are the screen connectors. Just gotta be careful here. Okay, so here you're gonna see all the connections. One here, and the wire coming all across to here. And on our new screen, they should match. See? Here, going all the way. So we're gonna start removing this screen. So here you have to be careful. Just pull a little bit here, not too strong. I'm gonna give it a little bit of heat. Okay, now it's coming apart slowly but surely. Very slow. And then here you're gonna see that there's like a lock. Just get it apart. Alright, so lock up, then pull. That easy. Okay. First connection is off. Now we move on to the second one. Okay, there's a screw here. Just take it off. Okay, I got a bigger screwdriver. I'll just take this screw off. Here, this part. Oh, okay, now we take this part off, this piece of tape. So we have to be careful here too. There's another one, another connection. Just pull that. And I'll leave that right there for now. Then we start taking apart this one. Here, this is for the camera. Going all the way down here. Okay, so sorry I just paused the video. I know I needed to use my two hands. So what I did is just pulled a little bit on this side so that it'll come out from that hinge there, and then just pulled a little bit. Now this goes over here. Alright, we're almost done unplugging stuff. So here we have a connection coming out. So it's got the locks again. Look, you see, if you pull that plastic, the lock comes up, and then you pull the connection from it. This is small. Then I pull here. So you see I pulled here a little bit. You see it comes off. Good. Now I'm gonna start connecting all the connections, going across and all that. Okay, so I went all the way across now and connected the camera. Right, now I'll put this piece in here. Then I'll do the last connection, the one that goes here. Okay, and I cut 4 little pieces of double-sided tape, so I'm going to put them in the corners and then attach the screen. Okay, I got my 4 pieces of double-sided tape put here. Now I'll just attach the screen. Okay, screen is halfway attached, so I'm just pushing down here a little bit, so it should be attached all over. It just, see, just snaps in, not too much pressure on it. You go all the way across. Close it and push here, so it will attach on the bottom.